Hey guys, how you all doing today? Right now in this lesson, I'm going to be taking us on how we can use ChatGPT for your business. How you can use ChatGPT for your business, and without wasting much of our time, let's jump right into it. All right. So, for those of you who don't actually have an account with ChatGPT, I'll be showing us how to get ourselves registered in the business. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, what exactly is ChatGPT? Now, ChatGPT is an online artificial intelligence site or software whereby you can ask questions and you can receive answers from the machine. All right, so let me show you how you can get yourself registered. So to get yourself registered, what you simply need to do is to search uh, chat.openai.com space sign up. This fourth link here, chat.openai.com space sign up. Now once you use that link, you can get signed up into the system. You'll be required of your email address. Now once you enter your email address, you'll be sent a verification link like this. Let me quickly show us that. Like this. Yes, this first message here, you'll be sent a verification link like this, and then once you open that, you can click on verify email address. I don't want to go into that so that I don't extend the time for this video. So as soon as you type that, you'll be sent to you'll be directed back to the site for you to enter the rest of your information, your name, your date of birth, and what have you, your phone number also, and then you continue from there. So let me not waste much of our time. So let's just go straight to chat.openai.com, and that takes us straight to ChatGPT. And since I already have an account already, I will just keep on using that. All right. So having done that, now uh now this is a ChatGPT. As you can see here, send a message. You can customize your message in any way you want to put it. Is either you want to ask ChatGPT a question, like take for instance, let's ask ChatGPT how current is its information. So you can just ask how current, okay, how current is your information, okay, all right, and then yeah, it brings us says my knowledge is based on information available up to September 2021. I do not have access to real-time data or events that have occurred after that date. Yes, the information which we are seeing here, this is the information limitation to this particular software, online software, but that doesn't make it irrelevant, guys. Okay, that doesn't make it irrelevant. You can still get good information regarding any area of your choice. All right, take for instance, you can ask ChatGPT questions, okay, like take for instance top 10, yeah, top 10 best uh let me say top 10 best football clubs, okay, just to test it out. Football clubs since uh since 2000, okay, top 10 best football clubs since 2000. And as you can see, it will just start bringing them out in that regard. Okay, so you can see FC Barcelona and all of that arrangement, just like that. You can get the information which you need from this. Okay, take for instance, just to test out, I'll be doing a test analysis for business ideas, okay, for a profession. That's for a professional business. That is for those who are professionals, like the doctors, and just to ask what the internet can do for you. Okay, so take for instance, what can the internet do for a doctor? Okay, you can ask ChatGPT that what what's or how, yeah, how can I earn as a doctor from the internet? Okay, how can I earn as a doctor from the internet? You can just search that quickly, and then it brings for you word for word um, ideas of how you can earn as a doctor on the internet. As you can see there, earning as a doctor through the internet can be challenging, but is possible. And then recommending some ideas: telemedicine and online consultation, medical writing, online courses and webinars, medical podcasts or YouTube channels, medical consultations, healthcare IT, medical affiliate marketing, and so on and so on, as you have that. All right, and the good thing about this is, as soon as this information is gotten for you, you can easily copy it. Okay, using this copy pad here, you can just tap that, the get mark is there, which means you've copied it, and then you can paste it on your notes, you can paste it anywhere. Take for instance, I want to paste it here, so you can just tweak some changes. For those of you who are in the who has a blog or whatever you have, you can just get this information, apply some changes to it, and then you can, send it out. All right, this can also help in terms of information sourcing, and yeah, it can help you a long way. And yeah, take for instance somebody who is just starting out as an e-commerce person. Okay, you can ask, how do I go about, or what's the best way, or best ways to start, best ways to start uh my e-commerce, okay, business, best ways to start my e-commerce business. Okay, and then ChatGPT just brings out the ideas for you, just like that. Okay, as you can see, it's giving us 16 tips, guys, 16 free tips of how you can of the best ways to start your e-commerce business. All right, first of all, it tells you choose a niche, market research, create a business plan, legal structures, build, and all of that, payment systems and stuff like that. So with this information, you can scale up your business. All right, this is what we are talking about, guys. Making use of the information out there to scale up your business ideas. All right, so just like I told us, guys, because this information is too sweet to ignore, I will be tempted to copy it and paste it here, because guys, ideas rule the world. All right, having the right idea for any business venture gives you an edge over your competitors. All right, so one of the things ChatGPT does for us is to give us relevant and good information. Yes, ChatGPT also is a text based AI, that is, it cannot generate pictures or graphics or wordings for you. It can only give you text-based information. All right, text-based information, just so we know. And that doesn't mean it's irrelevant. Yes, I understand the dates due to its updateness in information is a bit far, but it can still give you relevant information. Okay, so I hope you guys have been able to learn how ChatGPT can actually help us in growing our business by offering us free tips and free information on whatever business venture we are finding ourselves in. All right, so I hope you guys have learned a whole lot from this. Please put them in practice. Remember, practice makes perfect, and begin to implement this and watch your business scale up, guys. All right, watch your business scale up. One of the things I always tell people is, when you get information, don't just allow it sleep. All right, don't just allow this information sleep. Make use of it, engage with it. All right, engage with it. And I promise you guys, the sky is just your starting point. All right. Thank you guys for staying with us. Watch out for the next tutorial video, and have a wonderful time. Thank you.